Okay, so this will explain how to cite in your comparative analysis essay. It's actually not that hard. Like, all you need is in Canvas. You go to Modules, and I've actually made the Works Cited page for y'all. Click Essay Formats, and your essay needs to look like this one. Have you seen this? Okay, your essay needs to look like this one, with like the heading up at the top, the header up here, title, introduction, short summary of the film. Just make it follow this pattern. Then, for the Works Cited page, boom, it's done, right? Because we don't have many articles. Like, it's just, there it is. It's done. Just get it. Yeah, just put it in your paper. Now, as far as the in-text citations, like the ones where you put them after the quotations, let me show you. There are actually a couple of ways you can handle the in-text citations. They're both in these files here. So the ACP sample essay, let's skip down a few paragraphs. No quotes, no quotes. All right, we have some quotes. So here's a quotation from the film, and then the in-text citation, just right there, like that's it. Few Good Men, done. Right? There's no page number because you
can't. So not from who said it.
Right. You just say the film, A Few Good Men. Then for the articles, like when you quote from, it needs to say from, and the page number. The printout you have has the page number on the bottom. This specific in-text citation, the person did not include from's name because from's name is already stated in the sentence. So if you state the person's name in the sentence, you do not have to put the person's name here at the beginning. Whoops. In this sentence, the student never mentioned from's name in the sentence, so the student has to mention from's name after. And really, that's it. Do you have any questions about it? No? Okay.
And all these are in files, right?
Yeah, this video is going to be in modules. Let me show you where I'm going to put it. So under modules, I'm going to put it right. I'm just going to put it at the top, right up here. So that's one. This is one file we looked at. This is the essay format file. Oh, before we go, I mentioned another way you could cite. So the other student, when there's a quotation from the film, the person did not even cite that. Like, that's allowed. Since the thing that you're analyzing is the film itself, you don't have to cite the film every time you quote from it. But the student still quotes from Milgram, like cites Milgram or cites from every time he quotes from.
So you do not have to cite every time?
The film. You don't have to cite the film.
Oh, gotcha.
If you do.
But if a person like Milgram or Fromm says something.
Yeah. If you got to cite Milgram or Fromm. If you do cite the film, all you have to do is just put the film title at the end.
Like, I would have two quotes in one paragraph, so I could just cite it once and be good for the rest of the paragraph.
Two quotes? You mean like two quotes from the film or two quotes from?
I mean, one. It would be one from the film.
One from the film. You either cite it like the first essay did. So either cite it like this essay does with A Few Good Men in parentheses, or don't cite it like this essay does. But you'll notice both essays, they still cite the Milgram and Fromm, which you have to do with the page number and everything.
So you can choose whether or not to put it.
To put A Few Good Men in there. Yeah. Anyway, the video that is going on right now, it's going to be right here in modules. All right.